ASUS Zenfone 2 screen repair, teardown, and reassemble. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver, playing cards, power down your ASUS Zenfone 2. Use the plastic triangle opening tool or your fingernails to work around the Zenfone 2 rear cover and release the plastic clip securing it in place. Remove the following 14 Phillips screws. Easily separate the exterior midframe from the ASUS phone. Disconnect the Zenfone 2 battery from the motherboard. Use the spudger to pry up the loudspeaker. Detach the interconnect cable from the motherboard. Remove the captain tape and detach the interconnect cable from the daughter board. Locate the peel to remove adhesive tab at the top of the battery. Grab the tab and try to keep the adhesive strip flat and wide. Slowly pull the strip up and away from the ASUS Zenfone 2. The strip will stretch many times to the length of the battery. Keep pulling until it comes out from between the battery and the midframe. And just like that, out comes the 3000 mAh ASUS Zenfone 2 battery. The Zenfone 2 battery is strongly adhered to a protective metal cover, but with a little sputtering, it is readily freed. Peel up the copper tape and then pop off the metal shield. Disconnect the display cables and signal cable. With the spudger in hand, pry up and remove the Zenfone 2 motherboard. Release the ZIF connector and remove the 13-megapixel ASUS Zenfone 2 rear-facing camera. Extract the 5-megapixel Zenfone 2 front-facing camera from the motherboard. Plug out the spring contact connected Zenfone 2 earpiece speaker. Use the tweezers to detach and extricate the vibrator from the chassis. Lift out the daughter board. It includes the Zenfone 2's micro USB port and headphone jack. Peel up the display cable from the Zenfone 2 mid-frame. Begin to free the ASUS Zenfone 2 display assembly by using the heat gun to warm up the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Use a combination of playing cards and a triangle opening tool to attack the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display cable when decoupling the Zenfone 2 screen from the mid-frame. All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.fixeasy.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.